without further ado, you've gotten to know Marie very well, but I'd just like to formally introduce her. She's an actor, a singer, a dancer, an educator, a craftsperson. She does it all. She's incredible, and I'm very, very happy to have her with us this evening. Marie Poncé.
All right, yes. Squati nishe sti hoa elatiga diwana iyu ya squati ni kidi Nigo hila, skiste diske, stiogo. That song is in Cherokee. My Cherokee name is Gatea. It's given to me as an honoring for my study in the Cherokee language. I'm also Tuscarora, and I'm also Taino and Arawako. Koki koki kwa bitio, koki kwa parabusika. Daka, Taino, Arawaka. Yes. Now, this is a Mayawakan. The Mayawakan is carved from a log. The log, oh, am I still on? Yes. And centuries ago, my ancestors took that same technology and created large boats like this one over here that could that could, yes. Oh, perfect. Yeah, put that back. That could hold 100. My family, my ancestors, 500 years ago, created boats out of large logs that they bent and molded into boats like this one over here that could hold 100 people. They used, my family in Key West used that same technology of wood bending with the wood from the tall wood forests in the Keys of the Florida Keys, the tall wood forests. They used that technology to rebuild the famous Audubon House and the landmark buildings that you see there with the poles. In 2018, Jorge Estevez and also Hans Schroeder from Copenhagen. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't know that my ancestors were documented personally. 1,000-year-old bones in Preacher's Cave were found, and they were compared to the DNA of people in Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, Jamaica, Haiti. My cousins. Well, Alan Shooting Star Brown from the Thunderbird American Indian Dancers used to dive from the cruise ships in Mallory Square, Key West. And that was with my cousins. Alan Shooting Star Brown is a Lenape, a Delaware, and the Lenapes in Delaware actually have their roots on this land that we're sitting on right now. Also, Louis Moxie is the director of the Thunderbird American Indian Dancers, and he's Hopi and Winnebago. So you may know us from Drums Along the Hudson in Inwood Park, Or you could know us from the Grand Midsummer Powwow at Queens Farm Museum in Floral Park, Queens. Well, now I would like to share with you a celebration of all the ways we dance from North America to South America and the Caribbean right in between. It's called Nativacious, and it celebrates the ways that people dance based on the dance that we do at the powwow called the fancy shawl dance. And it's done to spoken word about the round dance at the powwows. Nativacious.
Circle around the fire, hey ya. You are me and I am you. Step and step, the flames grow higher. I in my time, you in mine. I'm safely yielding, I and we. All eyes beating, hey yo, hey ya. Truth hawks watching, ants and trees are. I in your time, you in mine. Yo queen. Hey yo, hey yo. Sing a circle, round and round. Yo queen. Hey yo, hey yo. Sing a circle, round and round. Home for every large one, small one. Hand in hand, we're one again. Wider step we, hey yo. Flames they flicker high above. One in family, wider, gentler. Children leaping strong in care. Feet are beating round the fire. You in me and I with you. Yo queen. Hey how sing a circle, round and round. Yo queen. Hey how sing a circle, round and round. Vocal bowl, we're joined together. Eye to eye and hand to hand, we rushing center joy igniting, step to step together one. Present now our ancestors' footsteps, dancing echo all around. Sing the circle round and round, gentle air our flesh revealing, veterans of distant worlds. Yo queen, hey sing a circle, round and round. Yo queen, hey sing a circle, round and round. All is forgiven, all is known. All is forgiven, all is known. Yo queen. Yo queen. Sing a circle, round and round, and round and round and round and round and round.